Hello, my name's Effie and I'm with Nuet Dry Aquavit, and today I'll be showing you how to make a flower crown. So first you're going to take your crown and you're going to decide which side is going to be the front and which side is going to be the back. Then you're going to take your first piece of foliage and you're going to put the top of the foliage towards the front of the crown, and then you're going to wrap the remaining of the stem towards the back. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Towards the front, and wrapping the stem around towards the back. Now it's time to go in with some blossoms. Go ahead and place them towards the front, and once again, wrapping around towards the back. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Placing it towards the front. Wrapping around towards the back. We go in with another piece of foliage just to fill in any gaps there may be. Then you can go ahead and go around and tuck in any loose ends. And your flower crown is complete.